In this video, you'll learn how to add the Estein wallet on Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate your Estein wallet into your existing Trust Wallet application, allowing for easier access to your assets. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. This will serve as the starting point for accessing the Trust Wallet extension. Make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid loading delays during this process. Once you are on the Google homepage, type Trust Wallet extension into the search bar and press enter. This action will display a list of relevant search results. Look for the official Trust Wallet extension link. After the Trust Wallet extension page loads, locate the settings option within the extension interface. This option is typically represented by a gear icon. Click on Settings to access the configuration menu for your wallet. In the Settings menu, find and select the Manage Wallet option. This will allow you to manage your existing wallets and add new ones. Confirm that you are on the correct screen before proceeding to the next step. Next, click on the Mnemonic option. This is where you will manage your wallet recovery phrases. Ensure you understand the importance of this information, as it is crucial for wallet access and recovery. After selecting Mnemonic, click on the Add New Wallet button. This action will prompt you to input details for a new wallet. Be prepared to provide the necessary information to continue. Once you are in the Add Wallet section, select the I already have a wallet option. This indicates that you are integrating an existing wallet rather than creating a new one. Make sure this choice is reflected on your screen. Now choose the option to select an existing wallet from the available choices. This step is essential for linking your Estein wallet to Trust Wallet. Confirm that you have made the correct selection. Next, click on the Other Mobile Wallet Extension option. This will allow you to import your wallet from another platform. Watch for any informational messages that may appear. After selecting the previous option, a message will prompt you to import using a secret recovery phrase or private key. This step is crucial for ensuring that your wallet is securely integrated. Type in your wallet address in the designated field. Ensure that the address is accurate to avoid any issues with accessing your funds. Double check this information before proceeding. Finally, click on the Import button to complete the process. This action will finalize the addition of the Estein wallet to your Trust Wallet. Wait for a confirmation message to ensure that the wallet has been successfully added. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.